I went out to deliver some training in Hamburg. Along the way we had a few problems with the airplane. As we were flying I looked out of the window and the sun seemed to be shining through in the wrong direction. I said to my colleague, "Are we flying the wrong way?" We both didn't really know what was going on. 10 minutes later the captain came over the tannoy saying, "I would like to update you on the flight situation. We have a problem with the aircraft and for your safety we cannot carry on to Hamburg. We are going to divert to Exeter Airport and we will arrive in 30 minutes. At that point the atmosphere on the plane changed as that sense of nervousness kicked in. We finally arrived and the plane touched down safely at Exeter Airport. We all got off and headed to the waiting area and waited for our next flight. We finally got on our new plane and had a safe journey. We were never told what the problem was, but we were just happy that we finally got to our destination safely in Hamburg. Between work we managed to find a little bit of time to do some sightseeing. Looking over one of the two lakes in the middle of Hamburg, this is the Alster Fountain. We were staying at the Novotel Suites Hotel, Hamburg. Just over the road was a very nice Persian restaurant called Paz. We ordered some lamb and chicken kebabs with rice. We visited the Alex restaurant in the Alster Pavilion. We found a very nice Italian restaurant called Trattoria Vitello. My colleague ordered pasta. I ordered a very nice Hawaiian pizza. The food was really delicious and natural flavoured. It wasn't too sweet and it wasn't too salty. Very happy to be taken out by our German partners to taste some traditional German food. We went to a restaurant called Frau Müller. I ordered a fried potato dish with schnitzel. Wow, the thing filled the plate, it was the biggest thing I'd ever seen. We were told in Germany it was tradition that you had to eat all your food off your plate or it would be bad weather the next day. Of course, I ate the lot. I just about fit it in anyway. As we were exploring Hamburg, I got a message through from my wife to visit the DM shop. I think in total we spent over an hour in there trying to find the things on the list to buy. The problem was, I didn't know what I was looking for, and all the items on the list were listed in German. But we got there in the end. This shop is very similar to Boots. Great value and great products. It was almost time to leave when we came across a shop called Saturn. What a great shop! Camera gear, mobile phones, computers, gadgets. It was a real shame we couldn't stay long in there. We had to get back to our hotel to collect our cases. So here I am, back at the airport, flying with KLM, flying to Amsterdam and then on to Birmingham. This time we got some refreshments on the flight. Some mineral water, some biscuits and some sandwiches. And a choice of wine, beer, tea or coffee or soft drinks. And the two flights were really comfortable and nice. Lots of legroom and arriving in Birmingham without any detours.